Tayo naman yung walang ganyan eh. Diba? Dapat, ano mo,
Well,
dapat, Richard, pag naging billionaire ka, gawa ka ng endowment para sa mga aging political analyst. Walang kanya eh,
yung pension. Oo nga, kailangan.
walang benefit sa mga yan.
Wait. Magpa-party list muna kami mga vloggers ha. Pag natapos namin yan, sige na nga, kayo na lang mga analyst ang alagaan namin. Mga vloggers muna eh. Na double taxation pa nga kami, walang ya. Si Senator Tulfo yung ang ano namin eh, protector ng mga vloggers. Kasi ang laki din ng buwis yata yun sa YouTube niya eh. Sir Ronald, balikan natin ito bago tayo pagalitan ng mga umatras abante. So
Ah,
essentially, what we're saying is that they have crossed the Rubicon na. So there, wala na, talagang war mode na yan. So yung never say never, hindi talaga option yan, di ba? Daming
parang,
yayain yan.
parang matagal na yung war mode eh. Pero parang tayo lang yung nakikipag-war. Hindi mo napansin?
Hindi na, tayo lang yung umabante na walang
Tapos,
atrasan.
tapos, tapos lahat wino-war natin.
Hindi
Di
naman
ba?
lahat. Hindi naman lahat. Si
Halos,
Panelo hindi
halos lahat.
masyado. Hindi. Speaking of
Uy,
Panelo,
sabi ni Panelo pag na-impeach si pag na-impeach si Vice President, si Robin Hood Padilla, ang papatakbuhin nila for president. Oh,
o di go.
mas optimistic pa si Panelo pag ma-impeach, ibig sabihin pina-factory nila yung impeachment.
Alam
Oh.
mo, I'm liking Panelo na yung mga sinasabi niya. Minsan parang, okay, so he's giving away the game na pala. Yung pala may backup option. So unang-una, ibig sabihin yan, ready sila for eventualities. Pangalawa, aminado sila wala nang ibang Duterte na competitive. Walang pag-asa si Paste, walang pag-asa.
Wala na. Oh, wala na.
So,
Kung
Robin Hood na
tatakbo
lang
si
FS
kung
nila.
tatakbo si Robin Hood for president, tatakbo na rin ako.
Actually,
Tatakbo na
actually,
rin ako.
actually, I was about to say, wait lang, kung
Ah,
Robin Hood, go na tayo, go for G
Oo,
na
takbo
tayo
ko.
sa Robin.
Hinahanap ko kung sino vice ko.
Actually, Sir Ronald, feeling ko matindi yung mga debate, presidential debate.
Oo, di ba?
Let's make this happen, Sir Ronald.
Tingin mo, tingin mo,
I'm
Richard,
serious.
pag tumakbo akong presidente, merong haharap sa akin sa presidential debate.
Um, Meron, tapos biglang back out lahat ng 11th hour.
Oo,
Lahat biglang may COVID na naman ulit ng third variant. Tapos yung iba,
di ba?
napili kami. Gagawa ng
Oo.
excuse yan ng last moment para hindi ka
With
mukhang
the
COVID.
dossier that I have, yung aking dossier, gusto mo maladlad lahat ng
Ayun
skeleton
tayo.
sa puwet?
Oh, sir. KGB ka pala eh, KGB. Ang gawin ko.
Unhinged, unhinged. Kaya nila,
Hala, Sir Ronald.
Kala,
Oh,
kala nila si Sarah lang yung unhinged. Hindi pa nila nakikita.
baka mangyari sa debate, Sir Ronald, mangyari sa debate mo, magpa-press con ka, tapos i-assassination plot mo lahat ng mga kandidato ng iba. Kasi buhay pa kayo, wag na kayo tumakbo.
Hindi,
Diba?
gagayahin ko yung Blair Witch. Dark yung likod, no? Tapos may dumadaan-daan na shadows. Tapos ako doon, no? Yung dead eyes mo, magte-threaten.
Nakakatakot yung Dead Eyes, no?
Oh,
Shucks,
yan.
that was like,
Yan
wow, 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 wow. Saan na tayo? Ano
Na,
ka na, Kim Jong Ronaldo? Kim
ah,
Jong Ronald. Uh, Talagang dictatorship talaga. Ang plataforma mo, dictatorship talaga. Wala man lang, no protection whatsoever. Totally dictatorship. Sir, na last
Hindi,
part.
kung
Mm,
gusto mong kalusin ng mga warlords, kailangan mo ng strong arm. Di ba? Kamay na bakal. No?
AK-47.
Within a democratic framework. Di ba? Within a democratic framework, make the Philippines great again.
Yung may AK-47, yung ano mo, nakaganyan ka, no? Tapos ganito yung democracy natin. Bobotohin sinong unahin na warlord. Like, bigyan ka ng lista. Yung parang si Hugo Chavez, alo presidente. Di ba, random people can call,
Ah, ah,
hello, ¿cómo estás?
ah,
Sino unahin natin today?
ah,
Ito po, meron kami dito nakakainis na governor sa Negros. Baka gusto yung ganun na lang gagawin mo siguro. My God, Sir Ronald.
Ganon, ganon,
Gulag,
ganon.
gulag. Gawa tayo
Ah,
ng gulag.
ganon, ganon.
Pero last part, alam ko pagod ka na kaya ang gulo ng usapan na ito yata ang pinakamagulo natin. Totally walang structure.
Kinigising ko yung sarili ko eh. Hindi mo
So,
napapansin? Ha?
nag-guilty nga ako. Sabi ko, ang sabog tong conversation.
Oh. Pero,
Parang
pero,
ano na
pero marami,
AK-47.
marami pa rin nanonood. Marami pa rin nanonood. Kahit
Ah,
mag...
oh, medyo 1,000 naman at least na live. So medyo parang parang kang ano yung si The
sabi
Dictator
siguro,
sa
oo. Sabi siguro nila, ano bang pinag-uusapan itong dalawang ito?
alam
From,
na nila.
from Korea
Sabog, sabog.
To Morocco to...
Last point, Sir Ronald, baka naman may pag-asa ka pa to save your
Ah,
soul bago ka magpahinga tonight para
ah,
naman at easing soul mo. Can you tell us a
ah.
little bit about the Vatican, ano ba, hindi naman beatification. What's the term pag ginagawa kang
Elevate.
bishop?
Elevation.
Elevation.
Elevation. Ah,
Elevation to can you
ah.
tell about see Randy David seemed like a very proud brother, no? The picture you sent me, I was very well, like, I was very
Yes,
happy.
yes.
Yeah. Can you tell me a little bit about that? Let's end on a more sober note. Sorry,
Pag,
soft and spiritual note.
yeah. Nung nagsalita nga si Kwan dun sa gathering, nagsalita si Randy, marami siyang kinuwento habang lumalaki si Cardinal Ambo. Dahil sa mga probinsya kasi sa Pampanga, lalo na yung Betis, dalawa lang daw yung product, mga excellent wood carvers at saka priests. Bawat bahay daw may pare, no? Kaya sila, 13 kasi sila na magkakapatid, yung mga lalaki, mga 7 yata, 7 o 8, bawat isa ron sinubukang ilagay sa seminaryo. No? Si Randy tumagal ng isang araw, no? Yung isang kapatid nila tumagal ng 3 araw. Ibig sabihin, frustrated yung nanay nila. Until nung grade 4, si Cardinal Ambo, kinausap niya lang yung buong pamilya at sabi niya, magpapare ako. Grade 4 ah, grade 4. Eh masyado pang bata, kaya hinintay muna mag-high school. No? And the rest was history. Summa cum laude ng Lubin, no? May thesis about the dead language Aramaic para maunawaan mo
Yung sinabi ni
yung
Jesus,
original
yeah, yung
language ng
Elohi,
Bible.
Elohi siya,
Yun ang
nagpa-praise
kanyang
Jesus.
thesis. Yun ang thesis.
Aramaic. Oh,
Oo,
wow.
yun ang kanyang
I had no
thesis. Dahil
idea. Oh,
gusto niya
wow.
maunawaan yung original language ng Bible. Dahil
Ni
minsan kasi
Jesus. Yeah, Jesus.
nuances, yung nuances kasi nadadagdagan o nababawasan Latin, no, Spanish, etc.
Greek,
Kaya,
Greek. Yeah, Greek.
kaya
Mostly
pumunta
Greek
siya
eh.
doon sa roots mismo. The dead language of Aramaic. No? Yun yung kanya. Kaya makikita mo, seryoso ito. Di ba? Matalino, seryoso, no? Etc. At yung kanyang laging tema, kenosis. Kenosis. Ibig sabihin, emptying yourself.
Yeah. Via
Yun yung Greek
negativa, no?
word for
Cleanse
emptying
yourself
yourself.
first.
Dahil kung hindi mo i-empty yung sarili, hindi ka mapupuno. Kung hindi mo i-empty yung sarili mo, kung wala kang ganong klaseng generosity, how can you serve others? Kaya maganda yung kanyang kwan. Pero nagulat ako doon sa sermon ni Pope Francis. Hugot sermon. Hugot sermon. First paragraph pa lang niya, the contradictions and inconsistencies of the human heart.
Oh, wow.
Una, yun yung kanyang,
Dialectical.
yun yung kanyang unang kwan ha. Tingin ko self-criticism sa simbahan na yung human element ng simbahan are very imperfect. No? Sabi nga niya, si Kristo papunta ng Calvary, paakyat. Yung kanyang mga apostoles, pababa. No? Easy way yung daan nila. So kinukumpara tingin ko yung hugot niya ron, ganun din ang simbahan. No? Para lagi nating pinipili yung madaling daan rather than the difficult path. Tapos sabi pa niya doon sa second paragraph, no? Where is my heart going? Sinabi niya yun, doon sa second paragraph ng kanyang sermon.
May copy ba ito, Sir
Oh,
Ron?
meron. Padala ko sa iyo.
Papadala, please, please.
Saan papunta ang aking puso? Dahil wag nating kalimutan na kung tayo ay magsaserve ng Diyos, hindi tayo makikipag-serve kung hindi tayo at home sa ating sariling puso. No? Paano ka maglilingkod sa Diyos? Hindi mo alam yung puso mo. Sabi ko, okay, hugot na hugot ha. Tapos yung third paragraph, no? About essences. Minsan nakakalimutan natin what is superfluous and what is essential. Parang self-criticism Parang nagiging very bureaucratic tayo. Nakalimutan na natin yung essence of our faith. Which
Right.
is, sa fourth paragraph, it's about walking. The church was built on walking, naglalakad. And yung future ng simbahan ay patuloy na paglalakad. It is a criticism on standing. Yung hindi ka naglalakad. Ibig sabihin,
Stagnation,
hindi ka
stasis.
nagbabago.
Yeah.
No? Naiiwan ka sa mga dogma. Kaya pupunta ka sa last paragraph, inclusivity. Ang message ng simbahan unto the Gentiles, no? Ang message diyan, yung hindi natin kasama, yun ang dapat mong i-recruit, 'di ba? Yun ang essence ng simbahan ng evangelization. Yun yung huli niya inclusivity. Na sa ngayon ay malaking away sa simbahan. 'Di ba? Malaking away sa simbahan ngayon yan eh. Yung mga gays ba ay pwedeng sumama sa simbahan, yung mga babae ba pwedeng maging pare. Yan yung eh. In the next conclave, kung napanood mo yung pelikulang Conclave, Big R, the next conclave,
Hey,
na
Ralph Fiennes
malapit
ba
na yan.
yan? Ralph Fiennes?
Oo,
Ralph
oo,
Fiennes, yeah.
malapit na yan. Dahil mahina na si Pope Francis, gusto na niya magpahinga eh. So, yung bakbakan na yan will be about inclusivity or exclusivity. Dahil yung mga European, lalo na yung Italian, gustong bumalik sa roots ng simbahan, the Latin Mass. No, yung gusto nilang balikan and the previous traditions ng simbahan.
Traditionalist wing
Oh,
talaga. Yeah, yeah.
oh. Yung
I
iba
mean, which are
sinasabi,
supporters of Ratzinger, right? These are people who supported just the
yeah,
previous
yeah,
pope.
yeah, 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 yeah. Maganda yung kanila sa Netflix, yung Two Popes, napanood mo yun? Yung dialogue ni Pope
Yeah,
Francis
it is
tsaka
one of my favorites. Sobrang
di ba?
ganda.
Galing
Sobrang
eh,
ganda
ang
niya.
ganda.
Yung
Kaya
part
nga,
na sinabi ni Ratzinger na I can no longer hear the voice of the Lord, right? That's why
yes,
lumayan na
yes,
siya dun sa kanyang essence, eh, 'di ba?
yes, yes.
That really
Isang kwento
me
na,
along.
may isang nangyari na hindi nangyayari. Isang bishop, hindi tinanggap yung kanyang elevation. An Indonesian bishop, a young Indonesian bishop, hindi
Interesting.
niya tinanggap yung elevation to cardinal. Hindi nangyayari
In
yan, ha?
protest? In
Oh,
protest?
hindi. Sinabi lang niya, I am not spiritual enough.
Not
I am still
ready.
looking for.
I'm not
Oh,
ready.
tapos sabi
Yeah.
niya, I'm not ready at saka gusto ko pang maglingkod directly sa tao. Kanya na,
Grabe, no? Grabe. Yeah.
pampelikula yun ha, di ba?
No,
Who
no,
is,
no. I mean,
who is this bishop, di ba? Who is this bishop? No?
we
Di
are
ba?
in an incredible moment in history, right? In every sense of the word. You won't call it age of uncertainty, chaos, whatever. But it's incredible that of all institutions on earth, the Vatican is the longest continuous lasting
Yes,
out
yes,
there.
yes.
It tells you a lot about the I would say even the divine. I don't think it can last that long if there's no divine inspiration. I'll tell you that. I mean, I'm a secular person, but I
Yun
do
nga.
believe in
Yan,
divine spirit. Yeah.
ako hindi ako religious eh. Hindi ako
Oh, ikaw,
religious.
you're atheist. I mean,
Pero,
I'm a secular.
pero
You're an
bumili pa ako,
atheist. Yeah, yeah.
pero bumili pa ako doon sa sermon eh. Hugot lines eh. Parang hindi Pope yung nagsasalita. Di ba? Parang hindi Pope yung nagsasalita dahil
But
talagang
this is
very
a pope.
human. Very
But
human to
Rona, this is an Argentinian pope who has a liberation theology progressive.
yes,
He's
yes,
unlike
yes,
anything we have seen ever.
yes. Kaya nga, baka sa next conclave, we may yet see the first Asian Pope. And the first Asian
But
Pope is a Filipino.
But I hope the Pope
No?
is still okay. I mean, honestly, because I didn't have a chance. I've dropped by Vatican over the past few years, but I never had the chance to be there on Sunday or there when he was. So lucky you. I don't want to use the word envy, but lucky you, Ronald. I hope before magkaroon ng bagong Pope, some of us will have if we have a chance.
Naka-wheelchair siya, pero
Yeah.
nag-sermon siya for more than an hour. Nag-sermon siya, tapos binanggit niya bawat isang cardinal, yung 21 cardinals. Binanggit niya bawat isa. Ano sila? Ibig sabihin, kwan siya, very sharp pa rin siya. Very sharp, kahit hinang-hinan, ang daming pasa sa muka, pasa sa leeg. Mukhang yung problema ng mga matatanda yung nababagsak. Di ba? Mukhang ganun eh.
Yeah, yeah.
Pero
Very-
Big R, active rin siya nagkakampaign kung doon sa kanyang choice for successor. No? Actively siya
Well, we
nagkakampaign.
don't want to. Well, that's a long conversation we can have separately. But what I love about the Pope is he's so ecumenical, and which is something I can always relate to. I mean, in a sense that he's, of
And
course, a
so
Pope,
human, no?
so
So
human.
human.
His respect for Jews, his respect for Muslims, different traditions. I mean, you could see the imams in Indonesia. They were hugging him. They were almost in tears when they had him. He has great relationship with the Jewish community, with the Orthodox community. Something I can very much relate to, because personally, I have tremendous amount of respect for all of these major religions, especially the Abrahamic religions. Whether it's Judaism, whether it's Islam, whether it's Christianity, Orthodox, including and Protestant. So we are really lucky to have been in an era where we have a pope like this. Even though I know maraming criticism from the more traditionalists, including dito sa Pilipinas. I don't want to name names, pero may mga sobrang na-unfriend pa nga ako nung isa kasi every time kinikriticize si Pope Francis, I will say something in defense of the Pope, and then oh wow, this is intense, pala, no? This is intense. And interestingly, a lot of the Catholics who support Trump, no, ito yung mga more conservative traditionalists, no, who are not necessarily happy with the direction of the current affairs. So I understand why the Pope is so passionate about
Galit,
ending his
matitindi
position.
banat.
Matitindi talaga. This is but for me, it just tells us we are really in a special moment in history, right? Tao lang tayo. We're all human beings, including the Pope, right? So I think we all need divine inspiration to navigate through this. Ako lang, for me, Sir Ronald, I know you want to say something before we end, but I just want to say, for all of these pasaway, banat, whatever we say, joke we make, at the end of the day, we want things to work in a better direction. And I was happy to see, Lenny and Risa and Sarita de Lima, all of them there together, strong, fresh, good, inspired. Maybe, after all, history may bend towards a form of not only justice,
Yes,
but a
yes.
progressive direction.
And
So
history is still happening.
history is still
No?
happening. Or
History is
perhaps,
still happening.
or perhaps
Pero happy ba
history
sila nung
ended and
makita
then a
ka?
new history is beginning. Yes po?
Happy ba sila nung makita ka?
Happy naman sila. Happy enough, I would say. Sir Ronald, is that a projection of what they would feel about you? Kasi ang,
Halata ba? Halata ba? Halata ba?
ang sense ko, Sir Ronald, the question is not about me. The question is really about you. And then you're trying to use me as a proxy, except I'm not you. I don't have the same on people.
Nadadamay ako sa program mo eh. Hindi mo napansin na nadadamay ako sa program mo.
Wait,
No?
wait.
Alam ko eh.
Let's get the facts clear. Nagpadamay ka sa program ko. Ikaw ang lumapit sa akin at para ako
Ano?
gusto kong sabihin, are you sure, Ronald, you want to join my program? Kasi marami akong kalaban. But thank God, maraming salamat sa Diyos. I feel we're moving in the right direction and thank you so much. Senyor Ronaldo, please get good rest. We need to
Bukas,
stay
bukas.
fresh and strong kasi hindi lang bukas, 2020,
Announce mo.
2028, si Robin Padilla ng kalaban mo. Ako ng campaign manager
Ay,
mo.
humanda siya. Humanda siya sa Dark Horse.
Yeah, yeah.
Very, very dark
Buti
horse.
nga, horse lang eh.
Ah,
Buti, horse. Parang ibang animal.
Dark horse. No?
Kailangan.
Pinanood ko pala sa aeroplano kanina, yung Pale Rider. Si Clint Eastwood. No? Parang feeling ko ako yung Pale Rider. No?
Ah, sobrang intense yun, no? That's a very intense stuff. Yeah, that's intense stuff. Thank you so much, Sir Ronald Lobat na
Salamat,
sa
salamat,
Facebook yan.
salamat.
Please,
Oh.
please take care of yourself and see you soon, very shortly. God bless.
So, no, hopefully hindi ka mamatay sa traffic.
Tsaka Sir Ronald, please magpakabait ka na bukas. I hope bumalik yung Vatican follow kasi medyo pasaway
Hindi
ka na.
si,
Please.
si Justice Carpio kasama natin. Yung pagkasama si Justice Carpio, no? Kasing bait ko. Kasing bait ko si Mark Gamboa.
Wait. Actually, ang worry ko is kasama ka, si Justice ang nagiging makulit. So, I think it might happen
Oh,
the wrong way.
lalabas naman yung aking pagiging learned sa law bukas.
I'll tell you what, I've never seen Ronald being so inquisitive. Alam mo, Ronald, ikaw yung classic case alam mo, joke kay Henry Kissinger. Actually, it's not joke, it's true. Parati sinasabi ni Kissinger, do you have new questions for my answers? Yung ready na yung answers niya. Do you have more questions for my answers? That's essentially you, Ronald. Yung wala pang tanong, may
Oh,
sagot na.
pero paborito ko pa rin si Churchill.
Ayun, yan.
Don't interrupt me when I'm interrupting you.
Yan. Sir Ronald, baka parang pati mali yung mga idols natin, no? Medyo parang mali-mali yung idola natin. But
Oh,
back to Gramsci, ito talaga, pessimism of the intellect, optimism
yeah.
of the will, but most importantly, magpahinga muna tayo bago tayo magkalat, magpakabait na tayo, Sir
Ano
Ronald.
muna yung ko, kailangan ko i-replenish ang aking optimism of the will.
Oo nga, medyo spiritual replenishment na
Oh,
kailangan mo, Sir Ronald. Mabuhay ka. Salamat,
sige,
sir.
bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
God bless.